Rainy season has officially started in the Philippines. You can see here, there are clouds forming, but it's... You can hear wind and... Oh, there's two people there. Yeah. It's anytime. Most of rainy season is just gonna be thunderstorms. And we have this plastic thing. So, oh, there's supposed to be a bucket here. Oh, there it is. There's gonna be a bucket here we're gonna put here every time something... If it's raining. Because this ceiling and the roof combined, their durability is alarmingly dangerous. But in July, we may or may not replace that roof, and we will go to another place. My childhood place, Laguna. Yeah. Rainy season fucking sucks because of this roof. Because of our roof. Water leaks everywhere. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's good because I can finally relax, you know? And you've just heard the thunder. Yeah. And also, yeah, I cannot explain that. Okay. Yeah, that's all.